It's funny. A lot of times we don't take time to pause, to breathe, to be still. We go from one activity, one meeting, one conversation, one thought, one video, one podcast, one book to the next. It's important to be fully present in everything that we do. And most of us struggle with asking for help. I did a training yesterday, and during the whole training, the chat was moderate. People were engaging, but when I asked the question, who in here struggles with asking for help? Immediately, me. Why is it that we struggle with asking for help? Where did that stem from? Where did that originate from, that I can't ask for help? It makes me uncomfortable. It makes me feel weak. If I ask for help, will I even get it? All of these thoughts that we have around asking for support and asking for help. It makes my heart hurt to know that we, because I struggle with it too, don't have the confidence and the courage in asking for support. And what I want you to take away from this video today is to be more proactive versus reactive. What do I mean by that? Proactive is getting support before the crisis occurs. Proactive is catching things while it's small before it grows. Proactive, and no, I'm not going to edit that out, right? Proactive is having the thought and becoming aware of the thought to where you're like, you know what? This feels weird. This is not okay. And I need help. I need help. That is actually a power statement to be able to communicate what you need. We tell kids every day growing up, use your words, communicate. Why is it that most adults can't or don't want to? So I'm going to leave this with you because I want you to really think about what it is that you need help with. Is it parenting? Is it in your relationship? Is it your mental health? Is it just you as a person socially? You're ready to connect with others and you don't know where to go. You don't know where to start. And you just need a helping hand or an ear to lend for the situation or circumstance. Let me know in the comments if this resonates. I'm so excited to have more thoughtful, impactful conversations with you guys to help create safe space. As a business therapist, I help entrepreneurs pinpoint the mindset blocks that are stopping them from scaling. But the biggest thing that I help you do is the inner work that we compartmentalize and set on a shelf because we think that we can get to it at another time because it's not important. And I'll be honest, I'll tell you, that's more important than anything. That's more important than building wealth. Wellness over wealth. The wealth will come. You're destined to build everything that you want to build, to have everything that you want. It is your birthright. So instead of sacrificing your wellness, your sanity, your mental sanctuary, let's partner together and do the deep work. Talk soon.